Dive into a wild celebration of Earth's most incredible animals in this vibrant, fact-filled journey. From playful monkeys swinging through emerald canopies to majestic lions prowling golden savannas, every page bursts with life. Meet chatty parrots, towering giraffes, slinky jaguars, and gentle giants like elephants, all gathered for nature's greatest party. Packed with stunning illustrations and fun facts,
Leopards, Panthera pardus, are part of the big cat family and have several subspecies, including the African leopard, Indian leopard, Amber leopard, and Arabian leopard. Each subspecies is adapted to its specific habitat. Leopards are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of environments. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. Hamsters are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and sleep during the day. This can be a consideration for potential pet owners who are light sleepers or prefer daytime interaction with their pets. Hamsters have large cheek pouches that extend down to their shoulders. They use these pouches to carry food, bedding, Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. Pumas have the widest range of any wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. They can be found from the Canadian Yukon to the southern Andes of South America, inhabiting a variety of environments, including forests, mountains, deserts, and grasslands. Pumas are large cats, with adults typically measuring 5 to 9 feet. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot predators. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members, typically 6 to 11 hours. They prefer to graze in the early morning and late afternoon. Chickens were domesticated from the wild red junglefowl in Southeast Asia over 8,000 years ago. They are one of the most common and widespread domestic animals. Chickens have over 30 distinct vocalizations used for communication, including alarm calls, food calls, and mating calls. Otters are semi-aquatic or fully aquatic mammals, depending on the species. They have webbed feet, streamlined bodies, and thick, water-repellent fur to help them swim efficiently. Otters are known for their playful nature. They often slide down muddy or snowy banks, juggle rocks, and play games with each other. Alligators have excellent night vision and a highly developed sense of smell. They also have specialized sensory organs called integumentary sensory organs, ISOs, on their jaws, which detect changes in water pressure and help them locate prey. Alligators have been featured in folklore, mythology, and popular culture. They are often seen as symbols of strength and resilience. Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 200-300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms. Chicks can belong to any bird species, but they are most commonly associated with chickens. Other birds, like ducks, geese, and turkeys, also have chicks. Chicks hatch from eggs after an incubation period. For chickens, this period is typically 21 days. The chick uses a special egg tooth to break through the shell, a process called pipping. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures. Bears vary greatly in size. The smallest is the sun bear, weighing around 60 to 150 pounds, 27 to 68 kilograms, while the largest is the polar bear, which can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Bears are found in a wide range of habitats, from the Arctic ice, polar bears, to tropical forests, sun bears. They are highly adaptable and can live in forests, mountains, tundras, and deserts. Ducks have a special gland near their tails called the preen gland, which produces oil. They spread this oil over their feathers to make them waterproof, allowing them to float and stay dry. Ducks are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. Their diet depends on their habitat and species. Ducks are highly social animals and often live in groups called flocks. Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. A pride's territory can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey. Lions are often referred to as the king of the jungle and are symbols of courage, strength, and royalty in many cultures. They appear in myths, folklore, and national emblems worldwide. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history. From transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport, horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas, Mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions, and Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems, consisting of one stallion. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Some elephants have been known to live even longer in captivity. Elephants have a long lifespan. Reindeer are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in tundra, boreal forests, and mountainous habitats. Reindeer are known for their long migrations, some traveling over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers annually, the longest migration of any land mammal. They move between summer and winter grazing grounds to find food and avoid harsh weather. Reindeer have thick, double-layered coats that provide insulation against freezing temperatures. Their hollow hair traps air, making them highly buoyant and excellent swimmers.
All gathered for nature's greatest party. Packed with stunning illustrations and fun facts, this book turns learning into an adventure. Discover how tigers stalk silently, why toucans have giant beaks, and how zebras' stripes confuse predators. Interactive elements invite kids to mimic animal sounds, spot hidden creatures, and trace migration paths across colorful maps.